GP Investor. So in today's video, we are going to be doing my midday market recap here. I took a trade on CODX here, and we're going to be just kind of talking about the process, what I saw, why I put a trade on it, and how I finished, up about $126 and some change. Okay, so as you guys can see here, that's let's make sure we got our drawing tools here. Alright, so wait, hold on. So as you guys can see right here, you guys understand that there is some support at that 158 area and some resistance at about 295. And I saw this stock hit the scanners here, hit the momentum scanner I have set up. And so we're going to be just kind of talking about, let's go to the 1 minute daily chart here. Okay, so this is kind of what I saw. I think I saw all the way up to about right here. Okay, so maybe even less than that. Yeah, it was this first big gap up. Alright, so I see the huge gap up, and when I saw it, it was at about 90%. 90% gap up here. Yeah, 95. So this is I kind of saw it late to begin with here. Here, wait a minute. Let's just do this so we can get a more accurate kind of thing of what I saw. Okay, so this is the pre-market, and we have this huge gap up, and I looked back and I said, okay, I've realized that there is some, resistance. Sorry about that. That there is some resistance at about the $3 area. So I'm like, okay, let's see if we can get a kind of like a I can't think of the word, a pullback. Let's see if we can get a little pullback here, and let's try to hop in. So I hopped in, Wall Street Survivor, at 271. So let's draw a line at 271 just so you guys can see. 271. So right here. So this is where I hop in, kind of what I saw, because I realized it was trending. It had low volume for the trends, high volume for the push-up. So I say, okay, let's hop in here. So I just kind of held it through this, to be honest. I was picturing it to go up more past that $3 area, and it did, but I kind of waited because I figured I was still up at I was still up 10 cents or more during this consolidation area. But so I just decided to hold it because I knew that eventually the EMA and the moving average lines were kind of pushing up. So I started to take profit at 310 here. So right here was my first profit taking, right here, and then we get this another push up, and I sell on the first pullback midway, I believe at 25, right here. So right there I sell out for a $126 win. And the reason why it wasn't more, people say, well, Carter, that is, where is it? That is over, 15% win, nearly almost 20. Well, the thing that kind of sucked here was I only took, a couple hundred share size. And the reason why I did that is because I felt like the risk was kind of far. I felt like I was chasing it to begin with here. But I did establish some support lines and some resistance lines. So I kind of just made a trade judging off that. And I honestly was predicting a resistance breakout here of the new high of day. That's what I was looking for, to see if we can get up to that 350 area, but it didn't, and that's fine. I'm happy with my profits. Just from this one trade here, I was only in the market for let's get that. There we go. I was only in the market for 45 minutes or so, and then I saw that hit the scanner. I established some resistance and some support lines, made a trade judging off that, profited, which is great. And just so you guys understand where I set my stop loss, I set it at just below this at 262, so a little lower. So about right here was my stop loss. And the reason for that was when I hopped into it, so right here. Wait, oh, you guys can't even see. Okay, so when I hopped into it at 71, I wanted a very kind of tight stop loss. So I figured I'm willing to risk, 10 cents to make 50. I was looking for this to push more, but I'm happy with the $126 win. Not a big deal at all. All right, well, thank you guys for watching, and please sure to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and also, you guys join my group chat here. I call out this stock early when I saw it that hit my scanners here. Let's pull this up real quick, just so you guys believe me. My trade, you guys can't see that, but okay. That was Thinkorswim mobile device. Let's hop into my chat room here. All powered on Discord. Bam. Daily stock callouts right there. More advice tips right there. We got the active stocks here. Oh, I could have just went like that here. Let's see if it focuses. Bam. This was the other day. Active stocks, more member showing their profits. That was me right there, profiting over $4,000 off one trade here. That was another member profiting 136. Yeah, so please sure, I'll put that in the link in the description here. And thanks for watching. Peace out, MVP investors. Love you guys.